Hey guys, so I got a lot of complaints from my family that I'm just hoarding drinks in the fridge. So today, I'm going to open Kim Genuine Bird's Nest beverage. Now, Bird's Nest, this specific drink is made from a bird's nest that was made with the saliva of a bird called the Swiflet. It sounds gross to some of you, that's possible, but it's supposed to be very healthy, and it's a drink that has probably passed rigorous testing to make sure that it's safe for consumption, so I entirely trust it. Now, the saliva of that bird's supposed to be very rich in Sialic Acid. I don't know what that is, but apparently it's good for kidneys and other organs. They recommend that you drink this in the morning. I saw this online. It's not written on the back, but they say you should drink this every day to reap the full benefits. Unfortunately, it's the evening here, and I'm just here for the sip. So let's open this. Ooh. Oh wow, I don't know if you guys can see that. It is not a clear liquid. It has texture inside. All right, as we say in French, cul sec. This has rock sugar in it, and frankly, it's good. I like it. I'm gonna drink all of it. It's like being fed by the bird. It tastes good. I like it. It's like those gelatinous pieces. It's really like just having a drink with jelly in it. That's it, guys. Now we know what it tastes like. Oh, hang on. I didn't tell you what it tastes like. It tastes like cane sugar. Exactly like cane sugar. If you've ever bought a cane sugar, the cane, and you just peel it off and just suck on the fibers, this is exactly what it tastes like. So I'm guessing that bird's nest, not tasting like anything, and the only flavor you're getting here is probably the rock sugar. So it's just a sweet drink that's supposed to be healthy. See you next time.